Jeff.
Okay.
I tell you what, I'll pull it up to the boat. I'll pull it up close and leave it after, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you give it a really good one.
Right in behind the head, under the spine.
In the bill?
No, behind the head, under his backbone.
Go, now! Now! Ah!
No, gently lay it into his head. Into his...
Yeah, I got the line.
Hang on, Jeff.
Hey!
Wait, Jeff. Jeff, wait.
Yes?
Hang on.
Right in the gill. Try the gill. There you go. Okay. Woo! Here, where's the
He's not done yet.
No, he's not. Where's the alcohol?
It's under there. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Did we have something to hit him with?
Or bring a hammer up.
Yeah.
I'm really gonna look great in the film. Everyone's going, hey, what are we doing?
Yeah, this is why still shots are sometimes better than videos.
Already edited it out, right?
Yeah.
Grab the glove for me, and I'll grab him by his tail.